Hello everyone, today we gonna do a full review for the new noise-canceling headphones, LINNER NC90. Let's see what inside the box. Inside the box we have User Guide, the wireless headphones LINNER NC90 active noise cancelling. Another user guide. Audio cable. USB charging cable. Carry pouch. The noise-canceling headphones has 3 levels of noise cancelling, and you can have it on high, medium, or off for a variety of scenarios. Block out the world or keeping an ear open for flight announcements. Press the NC button on the edge of the left air cup, and you can cycle through 3 levels of noise cancelling: noise reduction medium, noise reduction high, and noise reduction off. The wireless headset includes a touch control panel on the right ear cup. Just double tap on the panel to play or pause the music or a call, and place your hand on it to activate the monitor function. Ultra-long battery life allows the Bluetooth headphones to play the music up to 13 hours, with only 2 hours charging. The stable signal of Bluetooth v4.1 enables professional sound cavity structure to provide mega bass and clear mid-tones, bringing you a great music enjoyment. The LINNER NC90 high-res wireless headphones capture the clearest sound, giving you a pleasurable and vivid audio experience. Adding that together with active noise cancelling that does a good job at blocking out ambient noises, you end up with a great pair of cans for jamming out to your favorite music.